Bert and Kip. Episode 18. The Big Loud Friends. Kip walked along the sidewalk. Kip is Bert's friend. She knows my friend. She's too big and too loud. Just then, Kip saw something. A cat was sitting on the window ledge. Meow. Oh no, said Kip. Kip got scared and ran away. A cat jumped up for him. Jumped up to Kip. Kip ran fast as he could. So did the cat. Goose and Bert just and last. Goose and Bert flew up to Kip. There you are. Goose landed front of the cat. The cat go hop hop. The cat got scared and ran away. You saved me, Goose. Thank you. You are Bert's friends. And you are my friend too. Kip was happy to have two good friends. I like Goose, Kip said. It's happy to have a big loud friends.